nursery tray having 104 cells in each set, which I have purchased from Amazon. I'm going to unbox it. Hi, my name is Sansibri Subba. You are welcome to my YouTube channel Saetry. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell in order to get updates of new videos. Let's get started. For the first time, I'm going to unbox a product which I have purchased from Amazon in this channel. The order for this product was placed a week ago. It is a nursery tray or unique plastic seedling plant pot tray which can be used for making nursery of different kinds of vegetables or any seeds. I got delivered this today itself. Actually, I have ordered for making nursery of red cherry peppers. I'm going to use it for the first time. I think it works better than earlier, the traditional way of making nursery. So it is well covered. So all are covered with tapes. So I'm going to take it out. It's taking a time, so I will cut out this with scissor. You can use this nursery tray for growing plants or sapling from vegetable seeds. Yes, now it is almost going to be open. So here, this is a tray. Oh, this is for used for safety. Okay. So here I have got this is a nursery tray which I have brought from Amazon in a week ago. So I got delivered today. So I brought this at home and I'm unboxing this. So here I have got 45 pieces which I have brought this for planting red chili pepper. So I'm just taking out for one piece to showing you. So here I've got 45 pieces. Yes, this is a tree. This is very thin, but here altogether I think we need to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 13 adds a 104, right? 104 holes over here. So here we need to fill up with vermicompost or soil or some kind of manures, and then we need to put one seed in each cell so that it will grow, and it takes I think 2 months to grow a chili sapling. So I will show you in the next video when I plant red chili peppers. At that time I will make another video. This is just for I'm showing you the unrolled materials that I'm going to prepare for nursery tray. Sorry, I'm going to prepare for nursery of planting keeping saplings of chili peppers, red chili peppers. So this is a tray which I have ordered from. You can purchase this from Amazon. I will give you the link below the descriptions. If you like the video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.